Spider! He's
Apparently
moving.
there's this video I gotta look at. It's
Pa?
Jimmy Fallon.
Hey, Pa. Getting us some Moe's before we go Christmas, Ma. I'm getting some food before we go Christmas tree farming. Got some Moe's. No. Mom is not very happy with Moe's. Oh, while the family's over there shopping for shoes. Hey, those are your shoes. No.
No, they're not.
You have green ones, or you have side ones. Very nice. I'm right here. Bored out of my mind. Byron's taking me out of the elf section. Sounds awesome. You sit on the throne of lies. Santa! Son of a nutcracker.
Alright, it's fine over here. We had a $40 for mom.
You can build stuff with. Look at that.
That's disgusting. I'm sorry. Found Minions, folks. They're real life ones, too. I saw it from the road and she's like, Minions! Well, obsessed. There's Byron trying to take a picture. My mom's going back to the Amish.
This thing tips.
I don't think it's supposed to climb on it.
Well, there's no sign. So I'm surprised, actually.
Wait a minute.
We were at a tree farm.
It says, parents, be careful with our antique Amish buggy and do not allow children to play on it. All children must be accompanied.
Going over the bridge.
Byron's scared.
Don't feel that strong.
If it falls,
That's the little creek that we're nervous about going over.
It has a little give in it.
it does. We did it.
I was gonna laugh if I'd be the one that fall through. Watch her be like, ah! Go. Hey, Cody.
Oh, just poop.
Hey, go. He walked all the way over here for some. Oh. Oh, my mom petted the animals. I don't think you're supposed to do that. Animal's gonna eat her now. He walked all the way over here for that bread. Bye. Bye, Mr. Cow. There's the other one. I don't know what they are. If y'all know what they are, let us know. Look, Christmas tree with houses on it. I want it. Byron said we can't have a tree topper like that.
It would kill our little tree. It would actually, the tree would be inside.
The whole tree just zoomed in on. There is the green fountain. Looks like pee-pee. That's the same fountain that Byron ran through the other day.
Yep. Check that vlog out. It's surprise. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
It is. Look. Yeah. So it's in a really pretty area outside the mall. Like if you come here and sit, like it's just really.
I'm watching you two people.
I like how the donut's right there in the front. That's from me. All right, we're gonna watch Byron decorate this tree. You're welcome. Woo! Show's all on you.
Josh?
It's cookie time. It's cookie time?
Keep it on camera.
Get your Benny on.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, good job, Papa. Good job hanging that ball.
Did you know? Fresh Stitch extreme lightweight layers just light.
Such a jerk. Pa, do you want to build a snowman?
Do what?
Yeah, get him on.
I don't know what's happening.
That's it.
Both cars look okay.
They stopped driving for that.